The Marcos Jr. administration is committed to reinforce the capacity for health emergency response and medical treatment all over the homeland. And key to achieving this mission is increased mobility and a dispatch of service personnel or healthcare responders with an appropriate set of wheels. Our Kenneth Paciente has more on the president turning over some 387 patient transport vehicles earlier today.
In line with the goal of further strengthening healthcare in the country, additional patient transport vehicles or PTVs were distributed by the government to several local government units from various parts of the country. Earlier, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. personally led the ceremonial turnover of 387 PTVs to 7 regions in Luzon. This is part of the Marcos Jr. administration's commitment to improve emergency response capabilities across the country, as well as the overall medical services for every Filipino.
We are very happy now to be able to do this dahil dito sa administrasyong ito, karapatan ng bawat nating kababayan na Pilipino na magkaroon ng ganitong klaseng serbisyo. Pinapatibay nga natin ang buong healthcare services. Nagmi-meeting lang kami tungkol sa budget sa DOH, tungkol sa budget ng PhilHealth, tungkol sa lahat ng mga serbisyong ibinibigay, tungkol sa mga insurance, upang buuhin namin ang magandang healthcare system.
Municipalities and cities in Regions 1, 2, 3, 4A and 4B as well as Region 5 in the Cordillera Administrative Region were among those that received PTVs. From July 2022 to June this year, a total of 680 PTVs have been distributed by the administration according to PCSO data. The Chief Executive encouraged recipients to take care of the emergency vehicles that they received, which were carefully selected to suit the needs of every municipality in the Philippines.
Alagaan ninyo na mabuti ito. Tatagal ito ng matagal, basta't alagaan natin na mabuti. Kahit gamit na gamit yan. Meron na kaming experience dun sa mga una naming na ibigay. Basta't inaalagaan na mabuti, tama ang pag-service, tama ang paggamit, pagka nangangailangan ng pyesa, palitan kaagad.
Napakalaki po ang tulong nito dahil kami po ay sa probinsya namin, kami po ang pinakamaliit na bayan. Kaya ibig sabihin, yung pondo natin limitado, kaya po pag may mga ganitong tulong kami po ay nagpapasalamat. Malaking tulong po ito sa amin.
The government is also set to distribute around 985 more PTVs this year. Meanwhile, the PCSO has allocated 1 billion peso for the procurement of 395 PTVs, which are scheduled for distribution next year. This comes with the assurance that this will be distributed fairly.
Itong taon na ito, garantisado po, mabibigyan po natin ang lahat ng munisipyo, anuman pong class, from 1 to 6, hindi po magmamatter yan. Kakampi, hindi masyadong kakampi. Kung ano mang kulay po, hindi po kami nagtatangi. Yan po ang bilin ng Pangulo. Huwag hong politikahin ang healthcare.
Kenneth Paciente from the National TV Network for a New and Better Philippines.